Yeah, look at that. Nice yacht. Going out to Palm Beach Inlet. That's a single island behind us. That cleaned out water is about 30 feet deep to the bottom. Here it is, 48 miles, Freeport, Bahamas. There's Palm Beach Island.
We like to do that. Yeah.
Dad, say hello. It's a video. The video. Taking a video. There's Peanut Island behind Dad. Riviera Beach in the background. Say hi to everybody. Say hello. It's a video. Way off the distance is the port of Palm Beach. That's where you see over there, the Bahamas Celebration cruise ship getting ready to leave. Goes out about 6 o'clock. There's Rush Limbaugh's house. The background there with the red roof.